Welcome to Geography Learner. Dear viewer, we present videos regarding geographical topics regularly. So please subscribe our channel. Now, in this video, I shall discuss about the seismic wave and its types. But before to start the main topic, I want to present few key points related to it, such as focus of earthquake, epicenter, etc. The place in the Earth's surface where an earthquake originates is the focus of the earthquake. Most focus are located at the depth of 50 to 100 km under the surface of the Earth, but focus may be found in mantle layer at the depth of 700 km. The point on the surface of the Earth perpendicularly above the focus, where the first tremor reaches, is the epicenter of the earthquake. Energy generated by an earthquake spread out in the form of waves from the focus are called seismic wave. So, seismic waves are the wave of energy generated by earthquake. We can better understand it by an example. If we drop a stone on water, then a radial surge of wave will appear. Seismic waves are like that. So now, types of earthquake wave or seismic wave. Primary waves are longitudinal waves and travel like sound wave. Longitudinal means when P wave travel through a particular medium, the particles of medium move back and forth in the direction of propagation. We can explain the fact by an example. Suppose few men are in a queue. If last man give a push or knock on the man just before him, then the force of push or knock will reach to the other end of queue. But all men standing on that queue would not change their place. P wave travel like this through a particular medium. It pushes and pulls the rock, so it is also known as push-pull waves. P wave is fastest seismic waves reach to the Earth's surface or epicenter before all other waves, so it is named as primary wave or P wave in short. P waves are also known as compressional waves because of the pushing and pulling they do. Subjected to a P wave, particles move in the same direction that the wave is moving in. The velocity of P wave is 4 to 6 km per second in the Earth's crust, whereas 6 to 13 km per second in mantle and 8 to 11 km per second in the core. P wave have the shortest wavelength. Wavelength can be defined as the distance between two successive crests or trough of the wave. Secondary wave. Secondary waves are transverse wave in which rock particles vibrate at right angles to the direction of the wave travel. They travel like light wave. As ocean water forms sea wave and travel toward the sea beach, secondary wave also travel like sea wave from the focus to epicenter. In this animation, red arrows shows the direction of wave propagation and dots represent the vibrating particles of medium. S wave arrive at the surface immediately after the P waves, so they are called secondary wave or S wave in short. S wave or secondary wave can travel only through solid medium. The velocity of S wave is 2.9 to 3.5 km per second through the earth crust and 3.5 to 7.2 per second through mantle. S wave have medium wavelength. Surface wave. Surface wave spread out from the epicenter of the earthquake. They are called surface wave because they can only travel along the surface. They are most destructive waves. Their average velocity is 3 km per second. Surface waves are two types, such as Rayleigh waves and Love waves. Rayleigh waves are surface waves that move in an elliptical motion, producing both vertical and horizontal component of motion in the direction of wave propagation. British physicist Lord Rayleigh, who first mathematically demonstrated their existence in 1885, so they are called Rayleigh waves after his name. Love wave, a type of seismic wave in which particles move with a side-to-side motion perpendicular to the main propagation of the earthquake. Love waves are named after A. E. H. Love. So we can classify seismic wave into two categories primarily, such as body wave and surface wave. These waves are further divided into two types, such as primary wave or P wave and secondary wave or S wave. Surface wave also divided into two types, such as Rayleigh waves and Love waves. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to put your comment in comment box.